Enhance low quality blurry old memories to crisp clear 4K Ultra HD with the new AI Photo Enhancer app. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I hope all of you viewers fine and I'm very excited to share with you the all new AI Photo Enhancer app. We have this type of interface on the Nero AI. You can upscale, sharpen, denoise, de-scratch, colorize, remove background, as well as compress your photo. All of the tools and features within the one app, as well as you can create AI photos. You can change the gender by click on the left settings panel. Alongside AI photos, we have the Instant Me, which is the AI filters. Latest AI filters available like Ghibli effect, which is very famous in these days, clay, anime, and so on. This is looks really promising, and I'm gonna try as well and show you the results at the end of the video. I'm going to show you the main features of this app, sharpen and upscaler. When you click on the sharpen, choose the image. Now this will take some time for processing and show you the side by side results that you can see. It's not really sharp, but really close to natural, but I really like. And now I'm gonna try the upscaler after that one. Click on upscaler and choose the photo. Again, everything is automatic. Processing will take some time, 1 to 2 minutes or even 3 minutes or more. Now you can see here the details much better compared to the sharpen one, and still it's really close to natural, what I really liked. We have a bunch of options here underneath: photo, standard, iris, as well as business and anime. For different type of photos, we have different models available. The face recovery is also available, which add a lot of immense amount of details with the help of AI. Before and after comparison, the face recovery model adds a lot of details only used when your photo is fully blurred, not appear at all. Now click on the tick button on the bottom right side. This type of interface appear before and after comparison. Click on the top right side button to download your photo, and you can still apply other tools on the top of upscale, photo denoise, background remove, upscale, and so on. Let me back and show you the other models. We have the business, standard, and the iris. Business is for text and the clarity. Standard one works on the landscape photos best, and the iris model for the photos with the eyes and the face portrait. Here is the side by side comparison, original versus Nero AI Photo Enhancer app. You will improve the overall details, remove the noise, bring the natural details. If the face recovery option is turned off, when you turn on the AI face recovery, this adds a lot of details but not really close to natural. Which one is the better, Remini or the Nero? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe, like, share with others. See you soon with the new video.